Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. Yeah man, it's my first appearance from a long time. But you know my wife been posting some video for me. You know, big up Jen, aka Debbie. Yeah man, so today I'll be chefing up something specially for you guys. You know, as I said, it's been a while. And I'm gonna do something special for you guys. My wife requested this recipe today, so I'll be cooking it and let you guys see, take you on the journey and let you guys see. So what I'll be cooking is some stew peas. Yeah, I'll be cooking some salt beef and chicken foot stew peas, and this is my ingredients that I'll be using. Over here I've got my chicken feet, chicken foot as we Jamaican would call it. We got our red kidney bean over there, and we got our salt beef. And these are some of the ingredients I'll be using. You know, my seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning. Over here I've got my coconut cream in the black form, and the coconut milk in the can. And as you know, got Chef Garnet, love Maggie. See? And we got some ground provision over here, scallion and thyme, onion, garlic. And we got our scotch bonnet pepper, and over here we got some pimento seed. So this is the ingredients I'll be using first. I'll be using first to prepare the meal, you know, at the go start. So I'll be boiling this in the peas just to flavor the pot, because I like when my meal have flavor in it. You know, anybody eat my food can tell you it's flavorful, and that's what it's all about, flavor. Yeah. So stay tuned guys and watch this video, and before you go and watch the video, please like the video. Come on, give me a thumbs up guys, and please subscribe to the channel so that we can reach places, okay, and reach other viewers in different countries. All right, so big up on yourself. Cook and inspire in the kitchen. As Arnold Schwarzenegger will say, I'll be back. Now I am back. Yeah man, big up on yourself. So I'm gonna take you through the journey now. So my ingredients are already washed and prepared. So don't come at me now strong, you know. Don't come at me strong. You know, Chef Garnet is all about cleanliness. So everything is, you see here, is already washed and prepared. Yeah. The salt beef, I'll be boiling this off because you know it's salt and there's a preservative in there. So I'll be boiling that first for around 10 minutes and then add it to the pot. So first of all, come over here, sir. As you can see, I've got some water and the stove boiling. My peas already washed. I'm gonna add my peas first, because you know peas take some time to boil. All right, so I'll come back and show you what I'm going. Yeah man, so don't forget to boil off your salt beef. Yeah? Yeah man. So put that to boil for around 10 minutes and then strain off the water, and then you can add it to the peas. So I'm gonna, you know, I like to season my chicken before I put it in the pot. So I put some all-purpose chicken season there, pinch of black pepper. I use some garlic powder. Where is this spoon? Put some garlic powder over that. Yeah. And if you have other season you would like to use, you're more than welcome to use what you want it to use. Yeah, because don't forget, you know, you're cooking for yourself. You're not running a soup kitchen or a public kitchen. Yeah. So you can add. This is some Maggi season. I'm adding into that. Yeah, just give it a little task, you know. Don't forget to put your, you know, it's your food, so if you want to put your hand in there to mix it up, it's fine. But me, I just task about, see, everything is coated. I just set this aside, and what I'll be doing now, Over here I've got some pimento berries. So I'll be crushing these and adding them to the peas. Yeah. Don't forget to know. What we say? It's all about flavor. And if your food is cooked and there's no flavor, it's gonna taste really horrible. Yeah. So add that to your peas. And pimento berry got a lot of flavor in them. Yeah. So put the pepper aside. I don't need the pepper yet. So I'll be boiling some onions in there as well. Yeah. Please don't try this at home. You might lose a couple fingers. Yeah. Lots of onion, guys. As I say, it's flavor. Right. The garlic, you can just press them like that. If you have a garlic press, you can do that. Let's give it a little rough chop. Yeah. Over here we got some fresh thyme. Just pull off the leaves off the stick like that. Because sometimes when the food cook, you still end up with this bit in there, which is really not nice. Yeah. We got some scallion, or you want to call it scallion. Just give it a press. Yeah, give it a few score like that. So everything will be boiled out with the peas. You can also give it a rough chop as well. Yeah, that's good enough. Put these on there. So everything gonna be going into the peas. See? All of that, you can start to smell that aroma coming from that peas already, just by adding the pimento alone. Yeah? I'll give it a little stir. See? So what I'll be doing, I'm gonna bring you guys on the journey with me, step by step. Yeah. So let this boil for around 10 minutes before you add your chicken foot, because the chicken foot, it's kind of a bit easier to cook, and you don't want it too soft. Yeah. So that will be it for now. So I'll come back, guys, and show you when it's time to put in my chicken foot and my beef that's been boiled off. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Give me a thumbs up, please. Before you go anywhere, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, all the ingredients that I'm using now will be posted right here on the screen. Yeah, so you can take your notepad and your pen and take down those ingredients. Those of you who love stew peas. And I've got also a meatless stew peas coming for you guys. Okay? Stay tuned. So yes, guys, this is it. As you can see, I've boiled off most of the salt and the food coloring of the salt beef. As you can see, look at it. It's not as red as we started out, yeah. So come over here now, guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add this to the peas now. So it's gonna be boiled. It's gonna be boiling with the peas, and I'm also gonna add the chicken foot as well with this, and that's it. Let's use some of the water, just rinse this out because there's a lot of goodness in that. Yeah, I'll come back and give it a little stir now. So this is it. The meat is in there. And there's a trick in boiling stew peas, guys. You know, sometimes some people add like thickening agent in there, like corn flour or what, you know. If there's anything I hate is a watery stew peas. I've seen many stew peas in my time, and I'm telling you, I will never eat that. Yeah, I like a stew peas that is thick and rich. Yeah, so I'll give you a little secret how to do it when this is coming together well. You know, the secret is to mash some of your peas in it, you know, because you know, you see some stew peas, they can count every grain. You know, that's not the way stew peas should look. Stew peas should have body, rich, juicy, yeah, and flavorful. So you mash the peas, some of the peas in the pot when it's boiled, so you end up with that thickness, yeah. So that's my little secret I'm giving away, yeah. If you don't believe me, try it. I've never added any thickening agent to my stew peas, you know, apart from the coconut cream or the coconut milk or whatever you want to call it, yeah. And this is it. I'm going to leave this to boil. I'm going to put it on high flame now, you know, maybe another 45 minutes and come back and show you guys what's popping with this one, yeah. But this one is going to be nice. I haven't had stew peas in a long time, you know, and I'm telling you, I can't wait to taste this one. You know, please comment and tell me what you think and what you think I should make next. Yeah, let us talk in the comment section. You know, let us communicate. Yeah, so comment, tell me what you want me to make next, and I'll definitely make it. Yeah, and put my spin on it. You know, because people cook, but the truth of the matter is you have to put your own spin to it. You know, we see many different ways of cooking stew peas, but this is Chef Garnet way. You may do it different, you may not do it different, you may follow me, you may not follow me, you know. Thank you. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, people. And subscribe. You can't watch the video alone and don't subscribe. Support the channel, man, so we can move forward and grow. You don't want to see me the same place all the time. No, time to grow, right? Time to grow. Yeah, man, so this is the spinners we are dealing for the stew peas. Yeah, man. You know, say stew peas after having some spinners. Yeah. I'm guessing you already know if you need dumpling already. Yes, so stew peas are come along really good. So now I'm gonna put in my spinners. Yeah, man. Otherwise called dumpling. You know, there's no stew peas without your spinners. I don't know why they call them spinners. Maybe because you spin them. It's because you spin them? Oh. Yeah. So I finish roll up these guys and come back and show you what I go on. But I love what I see in the pot. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so my stew peas is waiting on the rice. Basically, yeah, I'm just steaming a bit of rice just to go with my stew peas. Look at that, nice and shelly. Let me say shelly rice we deal with. And my little skill of steaming rice is to cover it with a bit of foil paper, turn the flame down really low, and just leave it there to steam. Next couple of minutes, and that will be finished. And that's my stew peas, just waiting on my rice. See that? Nice and juicy and creamy. You can smell the coconut milk in that. You know, I'll wait to dig into it. Yeah, man. Cook and inspire style. Yeah, man.
A few moments later.
So this is it now. My stew peas is finally ready. Yeah, and as you can see on the plate here, I have dished out some, and I'm gonna garnish it with a bit of plantain and a bit of green salad. So I'm just gonna put some plantain on the plate. Yeah, put a few plantain on the plate. Matter of fact, let me take this as you can see, I'm not gonna heat the rice with this thing, and I have to pick it up. Yeah, so I'm gonna just trying to be fancy, guys. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. So I'm just gonna put a bit of green salad, some you know, just to go with, you know, because you know you have to have a bit of greens. So I don't need a lot of thing on this. I'm just gonna garnish it a bit. Some parsley flakes over it. You see that? Nice. Tell me what you guys think about this stew peas. It's chicken foot and beef, salt beef stew peas. Yeah, so this is it, guys. My stew peas. Look at it. How beautiful and delicious that looks. I'm just gonna taste it and let you guys let's look at the quality and the texture of this thing. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video now. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, yeah, and leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. Yeah, man, look at that. Beautiful. This is really good. Not boast about the cooking, but the cooking is nice. Even though I may cook it. Yeah, man. Yeah.